Good morning, Daddy. This is one room. No, this is one room here. As you can see, this is one room. So this is where you are discussing from the warehouse. So we'll be dumping from here. This is another room. This is another room here. And this is another one. Let me start from E4. And then we'll pass around to the hallway. I will show you the other rooms then on our side. This is another one. This is another room again. And here, this is another room here. This is another one. As you can see there, you see the door entering another room. This is another one. So this is one. And down there is another one, but I'll pass around the back so you can see how good. So this is another one. So this is the inner part of the wall. Enter inside. This is door. This is another one. This is the hallway wall. This is the hallway wall. This is the hallway wall. This is another room. From that door there you get the outside. From that door you get into the next room where I was showing before you get outside. So this is the hallway here. This is another door room. From here you enter inside there. So all the doors will be from on that side. Come from there, then you can enter here. This is the hallway wall. So this is another room again. From outside there, you enter there. From here, you enter here. So this is the hallway wall here. So this is another room again. From outside there, you enter that first room. I show you from that first room, you enter in the second room. So this is the hallway wall here. Inside, you have gone 1, 2, 3 courses here. This is just the skirt area, another room again. Another skirt room. So here we'll be doing a passing. And folder here, folder there. For the other room, they want just skirt. This is it. So this is another room. And down there, that is the door. From outside there, you enter the first room. From that first room, you enter the second room. Yeah. From that first room, you enter the second room. So the wall here come start carrying it up. Get that first room, you enter the second room. So this is the second room. Here again, on the first room, on the beginning of the video, the first room, this is the second room. So this is the wall. All the wall have reached 5 courses. So that the hallway wall they are carrying up now. And down there again, you enter into the room. The room is one of the smallest room in the entire area. I don't know if that room, otherwise I'll show that room. This is the smallest room. So this is the wall. So this is it. And this is the hallway. This is the hallway, the entire hallway. So this is the hallway wall. As you can see, all the pillows. So this is the hallway. So this is the remaining side. But this side have more rooms, more than this side. Because the rooms now here are very plenty. And here not really many. The room not really many, but the side room is really plenty. So this is the hallway. So this is the hallway. So that is all of the walls.
Bagano te amo gano. Eh. Nuko dada kono galama. Nuko dada kono galama. Make it fast now. Yeah, at this time Monday that I will be finishing now for the lintel level. Right? The block going oh. Huh.